I'm Brian Peck. I've been with DIJET for 11 years now. I'm here at the headquarters in Plymouth, Michigan, just outside of Detroit, automotive capital of the world. We are one of the leaders in carbide manufacturing. Our focus has been indexable milling. We have very good grades and geometries for hard milling, exotic material, finishing. Last several years we've been making a pivot towards more aerospace components, coming out with new grades, new geometries of carbide that have been performing very, very well.
I started selling DIJET in 1985. I've gone through many phases, a distributor, representative, to now president of North America, and I've been smiling every day since. One of the things about DIJET is that we make our own carbide. We have our own cake mix with that and the coatings. Nobody can duplicate that. We've had a great success over the years.
DIJET isn't just a high-quality product. We're very driven on customer service and helping out the customer in all their needs, whether it be delivering something on a Friday afternoon, helping them out with feed and speeds. We'll bend over backwards for our customers, try to get them everything that they need to keep running.
DIJET's been a great product line for us. Their service is second to none. Good support. Get them on the phone as quick as you need to. Really love DIJET. Look forward to working with them in the future.
Here in Detroit, we have a great staff, not only our service representatives, but our engineering staff. And orders are shipped out the same day. DIJET continues to push the envelope that I wouldn't have imagined 40 years ago. And I know that they will continue to do this in the future.
DIJET has a very wide network of distribution throughout all of North America and in all 50 states. Please visit our website to check out some of our new product or reach out to our office for any application support. We would love to help.